welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna make this intro really quick because my neighbor is playing music, so I hope you can't hear it. But today I decided to make a vision board. I never made a vision board before. I have always wanted to. I have this heart photo wall that I had up for like years. I have never changed the pictures out, and I've been wanting to change the pictures out because these pictures are 5+ years old. So I want to change them out. So then I came up with a great idea because I was thinking about making a vision board at the same time as I was thinking about changing these pictures out. So I was like, why not just make this my vision board? So instead of putting pictures of like myself on the wall, I can put pictures of my goals. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So this is the room that I do all my videos, like all my hair tutorials and stuff at. So I do come in here often, and often I do actually look at the pictures, and I kind of like remember the memories that I do have on the wall. And I feel like it's cuter than just having like a little basic board with random pictures. So I went on Google and Pinterest, and I picked out all the pictures that I wanted. I went onto the CVS app and I uploaded them to their app. So I'm about to go pick them up right now. You guys are gonna come with me. So we're gonna get that, and then I'm gonna redo the wall because this wall is really old. Like some pictures have fallen off. I just think this would be a really great place for my vision board. So let's go ahead and go pick up the pictures. I'm back from CVS. I got the goodies. I got the pictures, and I got some double-sided tape. So I believe this wall takes about 41 pictures, and they're 4x6. So yeah. So but I printed out 43 just in case I needed an extra one, or if I didn't like one or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this down and wipe down the wall, and then restick my new pictures up. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished. I just think this is a very creative way to do it, and you can do it like this. It doesn't have to be a heart. You can make it into like, like a square or a star or whatever shape that you want it to be. Instead of having the pictures facing how they're facing, you can turn them around, and every time you accomplish a goal, you can flip them over, or you can take them down one by one until like it's nothing on the wall completely, and see if you can actually get the wall completely empty by the end of the year. I think those would be creative ways too. And then you can like line them up by which ones you think you're going to accomplish first, so it won't just be like random, so you can slowly see the heart like kind of fading away. So I think that would be cute too, but I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna keep it like this so I can see it for the whole year. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what I got on there now. Okay, starting on top, I have a woman sitting down looking at a book. So I see that as like me just wanting to learn more, want to write more. And then next to that is another woman. She's outside in her robe, minding her business. She also has a mug and like some notebooks and stuff in front of her. So that's like the same thing too. And then we'll go over here. So next I have a picture that says heavy on self-care, self-love, and self-growth right now. Then next to that is just a woman. Yeah, so she just looked very focused and like she just got it together and she's just ready to take on the world. So I just like that picture. And we have a picture of like another cup of like coffee and then a notepad with like a business plan like sketched out. So that's what I want to get, like all my plans written down, my next move, my next steps. Next to that it's just it's an office, like an office drawer or something like that. It's just organized. That's just representing like I just want to get my life back organized because it used to be really organized and I like slipped and it's not as organized as I want it to be. And then next to that is a quote saying, "Don't wait for opportunity, create it." The YouTube logo because I want to really do a lot more on my YouTube. I want to really focus. I want to be more consistent and everything. Then next to that is like the green $sign. That's basically I want to be monetized on YouTube this year. And then next to that is another YouTube picture, but it's like increasing. So I just want to increase on YouTube. I want to grow way more on YouTube this year. Okay, that's a picture of basically a ribbon ceremony, like a grand opening. So I don't want to just write something down. Like I want to actually start something and like get something done this year. And then next to that, it says, "I am rich in all areas of my life." And then we have some pictures of like money and checks, and the checks represent like multiple incomes, and I just want to make money. A little bit more money this year. And then next to that we have like a credit score scale, so I just want to improve my credit score. And then next to that we have a picture of a woman and like a car, so that's basically I want to pay my car off this year. And then we have a picture of like a box with like clothes in it and it says donations, so basically I want to give back more. Then we have a picture of what just look like a very nice peaceful neighborhood, and I want like to live somewhere where it's like clean streets and green grass, because that's not what I have right now. It's very trashy. And so I want to move into like a better place this year. We have some more sayings of reminders. Next to that we have a water bottle, so I want to drink more water. And we have a picture of like healthy foods, so I just want to eat better, make better decisions, want to eat better, eat good things and all that. And it's a picture of somebody cooking, so I want to learn different recipes this year. Like I want to make things that I would probably usually just go out and buy at restaurants and wouldn't even try to make at home. A picture of a girl with curly long hair, and next to that's another girl with really long beautiful black hair. So I want to grow my hair. I want my hair to get back healthy. Yeah, and I might start wearing more natural hairstyles because I love curly hair. Okay, then it's a picture that says love yourself first, you know, so always put yourself first. And there's a picture of a before and after smile with braces and without braces. So I want braces. I've been wanting braces for a long time. And then we have a picture of a woman with like a six-pack. I've been wanting a six-pack for like forever, but I might not get it, but you know, I might, you know, you never know. But basically I just want to get fit, you know. I want to be more confident in my body because I keep getting on diets, falling off, getting back on, you know. And then next that's a picture of a woman with like an hourglass body. So basically I want a BBL, Nah, I'm just like, I don't want to be BL. I used to have like a little slim, thick kind of body. I mean, it wasn't like that, but it was, you know, it was right for my body size. So I just want to, you know, be more confident. A woman, she's like getting on a plane. She looks like she's about to have fun and celebrate. So I wanna go places. I don't know where I want to go, but I do want to go more places and, you know, live my life. And there's another picture of a woman, like she's in a bubble bath looking out a window, kind of looks like a hotel room. So basically I want to do like more staycations. Like I want to, you know, go out and treat myself. Basically I just want to treat myself, go on staycations by myself or with people or whatever, and just enjoy my own company. And then next is another picture like of a woman. She's outside. It's like a picnic setting, but I want to go out more like by myself. So I want to go to restaurants by myself. I want to be more comfortable with doing that and treating myself. And then we have a picture that says their opinions are not facts, okay? Say less. And then there's a picture. You can just tell that it's snowy outside. It's like a winter day. I have never seen snow before. I really want to see snow in real life and play in the snow. So that's a goal. No, Kaale girl, so never seen snow before. Okay, underneath is a woman. She just looks very how I feel. You know, she got the fur, her hair looks laid, and she looks like she have confidence. And like that's just what I want. I want to go in just looking my best, feeling my best, and confident. Next we have a picture that says, I'm quick to cut you off. Disrespect will not be tolerated. And I just feel that because it's the truth. Next we have a male and a woman like dancing in the rain, and then we have the hand hearts. So basically I want to find love, you know, somebody who's not trifling. So yeah, I just want to, you know, find love. I want to be out there. I want to start dating more and stuff and find the person for me. Next we have a picture of the show Girlfriends, and then we have a picture of 3 girls, and basically this is representing me finding friends. Basically I always say I don't have friends, which I really don't, and the friends that I have had, like, they were never really my friends. So I want to find friends that's really my type of people. And lastly, it's just a picture of like kind of like jewelry. So I just want to start investing more into like jewelry and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, I really like how this came out. Let me know if you're going to try this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I would really, 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 really appreciate it. And comment down below if you're like a subscriber. Like, leave me a red heart emoji if you're a subscriber. And leave me a white emoji heart if you just subscribed. And leave me like the purple heart if you're thinking about subscribing. If you have watched a couple of my videos but you're not subscribed, but you're still thinking about it, you're not committed yet, leave a purple heart below, okay? And just let me know what you think about this vision board. I am so excited for this year 2022. Please bring us all blessings to you who's watching this, blessings to me, blessings to my family and everybody around. Nothing but good and positive energy. And I will see you guys next time.